Some strong storms, but even there's not a huge severe threat for us. The problem, though, is it'll be a multi-day issue. We will see lower chances, but still hanging on into the weekend. More scattered showers and storms Saturday into Sunday.
All right, Tom, thank you. Home Depot is reporting good weather helped its profits, and another tech company is in line to cross the $1 trillion threshold. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Home Depot roared back after a slow start to the year. The mild weather in the spring helped the home improvement retailers. Americans started home projects. Also, higher interest rates have kept people from buying homes, so they're plowing money into where they already live. Well, look out, Apple. Amazon may soon be worth $1 trillion too. Amazon now worth $940 billion and only needs to gain 7% in its stock price to cross that milestone. It's also possible that Microsoft and Google will cross $1 trillion in value at some point too. Well, Messenger Kids on Facebook will now let children start friend requests. Parents still have to approve them, though. Facebook Messenger is meant for kids under 13, and Facebook wants them to switch to the traditional Messenger when they get to be that age. Well, only 5% of Americans identify as vegetarian, and only 3% is vegan. That's according to a new study by Gallup. And despite the increase in vegetarian and vegan products, the number of Americans who eat those diets has remained steady over the past 20 years. Now, the highest concentration of vegetarians are 30 to 49 years old. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how Tuesday stocks are faring at this noon hour. Dow Jones Industrial is recouping nicely, up 111 points right now. That's at 25,298. NASDAQ Composite also climbing, up 50 points to sit right now at 7869. Apple is delaying a group FaceTime feature. At Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference earlier this year, Apple announced a group FaceTime feature that would allow up to 32 people to video chat at once. The feature would also allow video chatting with emojis. Group FaceTime was scheduled to be part of the iOS 12 release next month, but the company has delayed the release. Apple is reporting in a statement that the feature will be released later this fall in a separate software update. Nintendo Switch Online will launch in the second half of September. The subscription service will allow Switch users to save game data online and get access to classic Nintendo titles like Super Mario Bros. Membership starts at $4 a month, then available in increments of 1, 3, or 12 months. Nintendo will announce the exact launch date in September. Pre-orders can be placed at Amazon, Best Buy, and GameStop. A child's hand grip may hold clues to his or her future health. It's according to a new study from Baylor University. Researchers measured the grip strength of children entering the 4th grade. Now, boys and girls with weak grips were 3 times more likely to have poor cardiovascular and metabolic health than their stronger peers. Experts say low grip strength could be used to identify adolescents who need to improve their muscular fitness. Chris?
An unsuspecting customer almost got more than he